Hey y'all, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison between the H&N Barracuda. I think they're 18.21 and the JSB 18.13s. I'm only going to shoot 25 yards because that's what the gun is zeroed at. So I don't want to have to do the holdover or anything like that. Take as much error in my part out of it and just see how they stack up. They should be almost identical, I would think, at this range. Push them out to 50 yards in a later date, but just to get a little shooting in today. So that's what I'm going to do. H&Ns versus JSB versus me versus the Akela. I'm going to shoot the Barracudas first. "24 shots on each one, so 24 Barracudas and 24 JSBs. Okay, that's an 11 shot group. I did take a shot at a dandelion and took part of it off. So 11 shots with the Barracudas. So I'm going to shoot this bullseye. This is no concern. I won't hit down here. So I'm going to shoot this bullseye. Okay, with the JSBs. Okay, now it's up for the it's time for the JSBs. The Barracudas did pretty decent. Anything within 25 yards is done for with the Barracudas. Now I just want to see if the JSBs are going to group any tighter. So that's what this is about. Okay, 25 yards, JSB 18.13s. Here we go. Already had one in the chamber. Don't want to double feed it. So far, JSB for the win. I like this video because I'll be able to see my finger discipline. I have a constant anchor point here. I took the cheek piece off and it was just enough to make it lower with the low scope mount. Taking the sliding or the height adjustable cheek piece off, it dropped it just enough and my nose touches the push button to slide it on the pick rail. So this thing fits really well. I got a consistent hold. Magazine's empty. We'll go take a look. Okay, so first group. This is the Barracudas. There is 11 shots in this again. There's my 12 shots with the JSBs. It's tighter. The Akela likes the JSBs better. Hands down pretty much, but 25 yards, they're both gonna kill whatever I shoot at. But yeah, JSBs pretty much wore that out. I'm no metallurgist, but I would attribute the consistency, in my way of thinking, to the JSBs working better with this gun. I'm thinking because they're softer. Honestly, they're a softer lead, higher lead content, so maybe they go through the rifling a little bit better and they follow it better. I'm not really sure. So yeah, the JSBs definitely performed. They outed the Barracudas in this test, 25 yards. At 50 yards, I know the JSBs shoot fantastic. The Barracudas shoot almost just like they did at 25 yards. I shot them the other day. The group was just a hair bigger. I'm not waiting on wind to die down. I just shoot. I mean, if it gets really gusty, I'll wait a second. But other than that, I just shoot for the. I just shoot with whatever the environment is. I'm gonna see if I can shoot some dandelions. I wish I was running the camera up there at the dandelion, because the first shot I took its head right off. I got my steel target up there, so I'm gonna ring that at 50 yards. I really need to get it hanging so I get more of a ring out of it. Let me see if I can do a homing. I'm going to do a homing pellet. 68ers. Okay. While holding the gun. Okay, here we go. Homing pellets. Oh! Steel fell. This thing is so efficient. Look, I started with a 3,000 fill. I started at 3,000, but I'm at like 2,500. I've shot 36 shots and I've only come down 500 PSI. That's insane. Rich Dudak at Airgun Revisions, absolutely amazing. Amazing. This thing was such an air hog when I first got it. 36 shots, 500 PSI. It's crazy, unregulated. I really need my PRS targets. I wish there was someone that was making them for me. Me and my brother will hurry up and get them done. I imagine a Caden is really nice to shoot because the levers, it's not bullpup style. So the lever would be like right here. This traditional bullpup. Yeah, it's just a little different to shoot, that's all. Yeah, 25 yards, I'm gonna kill whatever I shoot at with either one of the pellets. It's just that if I need pinpoint accuracy, JSB is the way I'm going. Okay, so after 48 shots, I've come down almost 1,000 PSI. I'm pretty sure I could easily get another magazine. Yeah, I'm good down to 1,800 PSI on this thing, so I got another 400 psi, so that's easily another magazine. So what is that? 48, 12, 60 shots off a fill. I could hunt all day at the farm on pigeons. I could hunt all day.